Finally, I have completed, and right now we will have to seizure.
सीजर
हाँ, सीजर।
ये करने का
हाँ, कहाँ पे? वहाँ पे कर देंगे। हाँ,
है ना
वो 3 चाह रहे वो चटाई किया ना।
थ्री तो हो गया। Okay, so right now we are going forward in another shop. Actually, there we want to take something because that one there we will try to take sugar. And where is Papa? He is purchasing the lottery ticket. There earlier I used to take, but twice, thrice time, but I didn't get it. But once I got it 500 rupees. Okay, after that I decided that it is not good for me. I can't get it anything when I take lottery like that. So we will try to ask to him that seizure. I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure that we will get it seizure or not, but according to me I think we will get it seizure because it is a very big shop, and I hope that we will get it everything whatever we want to take here. Okay. So he wants to take क्या लेगा?
मुझे लेना है दाढ़ी करना
दाढ़ी काटने वाला. So seizure we want to take right now from this shop. We will try to ask to that shopkeeper that is it available or not. After asking to shopkeeper, then only we can understand that yeah it is there is available or not. Yeah, whatever is available here actually we are given in our ashram. The seizure. हाँ, एक चाहिए। हाँ, या एक्चुअली नहीं सिगरेट नहीं सीजर Okay, so I seizure was okay. Actually, I asked seizure, but he was giving to us cigarette. Oh my God, I don't know. That is the main reason. Like when we try to speak in the public, if anybody doesn't get our point, what we want to say. So actually, at least we should have their native language, that how to communicate. But I know that at that time I'm very poor at their native language. But I am trying to. Okay, so he is asking something. Let me communicate with that person. Okay, so yeah, like that, and yeah, actually that's why I'm telling you that where we live, at least we should have their native language. Understanding part, voice speaking part would be better. Then only we can understand like that. Okay, and I'm pretty sure that like यहाँ भी एक पैसिव आपको बताना चाहेंगे, like जो कुछ भी हम लोग खरीद रहे हैं, okay, we are purchasing seizure. So seizure we will be given. इसका पैसिव हो गया. अगर आप अच्छे लर्नर हैं, if you wanna learn how to make it sentence in passive or how to make it sentences, then only you can understand, otherwise you can't understand. Okay, so here many people, many person, they came to purchase something from this shop. Okay, so like that you can see around me there are a lot of people. They are walking on the road, and vehicle is going on. There is like that. So behind me also you can see like that. Okay, so whatever I had told you, and just try to understand. And I'm pretty sure that at this time, as I told you, that right now I'm in market, so there is an
ये मोबाइल बेचना है कितना
यहाँ पे नहीं
वो ट्राई करना है, बेचेंगे नहीं, वो ट्राई करके देखना है क्या
मोबाइल शॉप है
नहीं ट्राई करके देखेंगे.
Okay, actually he is my friend. He wants to sell his phone. So actually there is some problem. So actually this time if he get the phone repaired, they will be charged lot of money. It would be better to sell it. Okay. So right now we are going to discuss. There is a child, man. Okay. I don't know he will get it our point or not. I'm not understanding properly. If there were very younger people, old people, then only I think that person would get our point. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure that he can't speak this language. Yeah. Okay. So अभी छोटा बच्चा वहाँ पे नहीं होगा, दूसरी जगह जाते हैं.
पूछ के देखेंगे, नहीं बेचेंगे अभी.
Yeah.
बाद में 5G किनेंगे ये महीना.
Okay. So finally he got it.
ये वाला खोला नहीं है पूछो पूछो ना
लेगा
हाँ
Okay.
खाना के लिए
खाने के लिए okay, so right now we are going to choose
ये वाला
dish.
नहीं है खुला वाला है ना
खुला वाला
हाँ
खुला वाला पैकेट वाला नहीं
नहीं नहीं
यहाँ ये तो दूसरा
नहीं ये दूसरा है। ये अंडा वाला नहीं है पूरा
यहाँ यहाँ
पूरे का
ये पूरा ले लो ना ये
लेगा चलो okay, so finally we will not take from here, so finally we got it mobile shop. Only cover is there. यहाँ नहीं होगा शायद. Okay, my friend he purchased this one. Actually, could you please tell us that what is the name of these things? If you have good knowledge as well, you know what we call in English language, so kindly jot down in my comment box. Okay, so I. Seizure. There we will be got it actually what we want to purchase. Okay. So here actually now we are going to visit this shop. Their magic is going on. So that's why I think I don't know, but somebody. Yeah, I was told at that time that just don't try to make whenever you will get it any kinds of music. So right now we are going to visit inside the shop.